Fort Bliss leaders are taking a hard line on motorcycle safety, tightening enforcement and reinforcing standards to reduce preventable accidents across the installation. Part of that effort includes a quarterly motorcycle refresher check ride designed to keep soldiers skilled, compliant, and prepared to ride safely in every season.
So the way the Fort Bliss standardizes the program here, we have an order that we abide by here at Fort Bliss in all garrison operations here, which is Standing Order 7. Standing Order 7 generally covers your do's and don'ts when it comes to motorcycle program and motorcycle safety. The way Fort Bliss is tackling this problem right here is that we actually have command leaders that are in positions right now that are encouraging soldiers to be part of programs like this, where you're going out there with your peers and enjoying what we all enjoy doing out here, especially us, which is riding motorcycles on a daily basis.
Fort Bliss brings together riders from across the installation. It's not just for soldiers to benefit. Families across Fort Bliss are seeing the impact of the Army's proactive approach to safety.
As a spouse, I have to take the course in order to even come in base, or I can't come in because they check everything. They check your course certificate, they check your license here, and also the military license. So as a spouse, I also have to take the MSF course, to ride around El Paso. I learned a lot of new things, like how to ride, how to maneuver, how to go on the mountain for the first time. So I felt a lot safer. I learned a lot of things.
As part of a broader perspective on and off-post duty mishaps, Fort Bliss is setting the tone. Safety is not seasonal, and accountability is year-round.
Let's just continue to push this program and make it as big as possible. I would like Fort Bliss to be the standard when it comes to the whole entire United States Army. As far as the program that we have here right now, we are shaping it. We have a good system in place right now, and I could only see this program getting better and better and better, but just by having these young soldiers contribute to it and bringing these fresh ideas up on a daily basis.
At Fort Bliss, safety isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility. Reporting from Fort Bliss, Texas, I'm Sergeant First Class Alon Humphrey.